Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be replacing the engine oil and differential oil on my 2012 BMW M5. I've already removed the plastic under tray, and here you can see me removing the engine skid plate. This is not entirely necessary for an oil change, but I figured I'll remove it to have better access and to be able to clean it a little bit. So here is the bottom of the car. It doesn't look too bad. There is a bit of oil leak probably from the pan, but apart from that it looks decent. However, the DCT gearbox is a bit oily, so I don't know if there is some leak from the gearbox. So the car needs about 9 liters of oil. I'm using 5W50 oil from Mobil 1. That's what I was recommended, so yeah, I'm gonna continue with this one. And that's the new filter and also the washers. The filter does come with its own washer set, but as you can see, those washers are a bit different, so I guess the filter works for different models as well. So if you look, these are the correct size, and this one is much bigger. Okay, so the original housing is supposed to be 86 millimeters, and I mean it really is, so it's 86 millimeters. And this tool, which I bought, is supposed to be 86 millimeters with 16 sides, so it should fit onto this right away, but it just doesn't. I can't get it on. I don't know what's the issue. It just doesn't fit. So I'm checking the sides, internal sides, and yeah, if I check it, it's a bit smaller, so it's actually 85.5. So I don't know if this is a manufacturing defect or something like this, but yeah, this tool is obviously crap and it didn't fit, so I had to use the universal filter removal. Okay, so the area is clean now. I think this rubber is just some seal between the transmission and the engine. What I'm afraid of a bit is that, given it was a bit oily, whether it's coming from the input shaft of the transmission, I don't know. I guess I will have to monitor it for next time. And I obviously need to do an oil change in the transmission therefore, so if for some reason it's dripping oil, then maybe there's also oil missing. But apart from that, I don't see any major leaks anywhere. So yeah, I think it all looks okay. Filter and the oil are replaced. I think we can lower the car now. Okay guys, so the oil is replaced on the M5. I didn't went into too much details because there are many videos online, so it's nothing special. It went well. I have checked the filter, it looked okay as well to me. I have not seen too much specks of metal or anything. Basically it looked just fine. So yeah, that's it. Next one will be replacing the oil in the differential. So it's actually a couple days later now. The oil is replaced. Now I want to replace the differential oil, but for that I need to drive the car and get the oil up to temperature. So let's do that. Okay, so let's check the differential temperature. It's about 42 degrees. I think that should be good enough. I think now it is just a matter of removing this plate, this supporting plate, and then just removing the screws. Let's get to it. Okay, so what I can see right away is that this side of the differential has some oily grease and dirt residue. So more likely than not there is an issue with the seal around the output shaft. Well, I don't have that seal, so I can't be fixing it now, and I don't even have a time now to do it, so that will have to wait for some other time. The other side is, yeah, it's nice. There is no leaks there. And let's check this side, and there's, well, can't see much, but from what I can see there are no leaks on this side. And I think the pinion seals used to have leaks on these ones, but yeah, in my case I have a leak on the output shaft. Now the question is how much oil is really lost, so I will see how much oil will come out. So let's now release the oil. Okay, so first of all I will release the fuel plug. It's a 14mm hex. She's tight. I need to get a bigger wrench. Okay, this time with a bigger wrench. Okay, it's loose now. Okay, well, there is some oil dripping out, so it means whatever the seal has left out, it's probably not that much, so that's good. I was a bit worried that who knows how much oil the differential has lost. They are quite tight. Okay, here comes the mess. Let's do this. Okay, oil is not that bad, so yeah, I mean, it's good I'm replacing it, but based on this I would say it was replaced in the past. So the fluid I'm gonna use is this Castrol Transmax Limited Sleep 75W140. I think this is the original spec oil. In either case, it's good for this type of differential. So yeah, and I'm gonna use this syringe with a piece of hose to put it inside. And yeah, I don't have new plugs, I know people usually buy them, but yeah, I think they will just work fine. I mean, unless the O-rings are bad, they should just work fine. So now I'm gonna put these back, and worst case they will leak, so I will replace them. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this back. Okay, and I'm gonna tighten it. Okay, well, that's the last piece of oil I have, and it's still not dripping. So yeah, this was 1 liter. Everywhere I read that 1 liter is what it needs. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, just started a couple drips, so I think this is just barely enough. I will probably have to get another one and fill it up. So I'm gonna clean this up a bit with brake cleaner, basically just to see if there will be any leaks. Okay, so it's clean, well, at least as clean as I can make it from this angle. So yeah, I will see if there will be any more leaks next time I'm checking this out. And yeah, I think that makes it done, at least for now. Okay guys, so I just filled back the old oil into the canister, and yeah, it's almost 1 liter, so yeah, I think it's good to get more than 1 liter just to be safe, you know, to see it flowing over. But in any way, with 1 liter I poured in, it's more or less what came out. What I noticed, there were shiny particles, shiny metal particles, and you can see them on the bottom of the pan as well. So yeah, it was really good time to replace this. I hope you can see them. They are really tiny, but yeah, there was quite a lot of them. So yeah, oil is now replaced, should be good. Okay guys, so the job is done. Engine oil replaced, differential oil replaced as well. I'm planning to do DCT oil replacement as well, but I need to get the parts for it, so that will be probably in a different video. So yeah,
Thank you for watching. Hope this helps anyone. Cheers.